Biafra Liberation Army have sent a clear message to those using fake number to take money from Biafras, claiming ESN and Biafra Liberation Army. Things are happening. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balaba Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. My Ben Ekwesioku. Things they happen as we dey talk. If you don't know, you don't know. Before we proceed, if you don't say you never subscribe to this channel, I beg may you try go subscribe and also turn your notification bell so that anytime we upload, you go be the first person we're gonna get our update back to back. Let's go and look into the matter we will get for hand today. They say one Biafra Liberation Army don't come outside. Come tell the Biafrans, say I beg, may they know they answer any call where they call them, tell them say they be Biafra Liberation Army. Say they go pay money for anything or the other. Say that one, that people will want to take money from them. May they not listen to them. So I want me to watch this video from beginning to end and understand what thing they go on. Stay tuned and watch this video.
So Biafrans, you people can see number on my screen. There is number on my screen. This number is one exotic animal that is scamming people in the name of Biafra Liberation Army or ESN. So I want to let you guys know, those living in Enugu, those living in Biafra land, wherever you're living in Biafra land, this is the people that are causing the problem that are causing all the problem that is happening in Biafra land now. They normally use our name to go and collect money from people, and then our people will now begin to fight us. You understand? We begin to get angry at us that we are the one that is collecting money from them. We have, according to our information and everything we got, this person here now, the number you're seeing on my screen now is the one of the number they normally use to call people that have hotels, people that are doing their normal business. They will call them and demand money from them and talk one or two or three. They will just tell you one or two things and tell you that you have break their law, that you must face the law, this and blah blah blah, a lot of things. So you guys know that for long now I have not been on social media because we are busy here fighting war against Nigeria terrorists. So that is why, but this is a very important information. That is why I came live this night to drop this message. You guys know that there is no light for where I am, but you can see my face. For those of you that want to see my face, so to know whether it's me, I am the one. I'm still the Baron, the Gentle Lion. So if you can hear me, so guys, see, be very very careful out there. Be very very careful. In case if anybody call you and demand money from you and tell you that Biafra Liberation Army or ESN said that you should pay money, do not listen to them. Do not listen to them. Those people are criminals. We cannot call anybody and demand money from you because government of Biafra is taking good care of us. So we cannot call you and demand money from you. You understand? So never you ever, as in, do not listen to any idiot that will call you with any number and begin to threaten you that is coming to burn your house, that is coming to do this, coming to do that. All you need to do is, whenever you hear something like that, just carry that number, post it online immediately, and we begin to track that person. That is it. Do not listen to any idiot that will tell you these people they will demand money. We can never demand money from anyone. We have the money. We have money. Biafra government have money. They are taking good care of Biafra Liberation Army and ESN. So those people that always call you to demand money from you, they are the ones that are bringing problem to our land. Unless you, as a businessman, that you decided to support Biafra Liberation Army, that one is a different case. But for you to, somebody called you, maybe somebody called you on social media, or somebody call you in anywhere, chat you or tell you anything and begin to tell you that you have to pay Biafra Liberation Army money or give ESN money, that they demand money from you. We can never ever do such a thing, and nobody is not in our custody. It's not in our constitution. It can never be in our constitution, because we are only trying to protect our people. We cannot be disturbing our people, claim to be protecting them. You understand? We can never do such a thing, because we never do it before, and we're not going to do such a thing. If anyone called you and demand money from you, it means that that person is a criminal. That person is a criminal, and that is the people that Nigerian Army normally catch. They will begin to tell you, we have destroyed ESN, we have destroyed Biafra Liberation Army. Nigerian Army cannot do anything to us, because he cannot hear us say, give me money or this, that, do this, blah blah blah. No, you understand? And there is no any army in this world can come where we are and succeed and go back alive. So if anyone is telling you, give me money, that Biafra Liberation Army is demanding money, or ESN, do not listen to them. Those people are criminals. So I want to let you people know, this number on my screen is one of their number. They normally used to call people in case if this number have called you before. So you should not listen to anything that they are telling you. So I'm trying to make you people to know now, so that you not come out tomorrow and complain that ESN kidnap you, ESN do this, ESN do that. No, that is not ESN. So please, my brothers and sisters out there, I don't supposed to even come out today to come and talk, but just because I was not even happy when I hear this, because somebody that sent me this number is also somebody that they scam, and I even called them to confirm, and it's true. This person now is one of a more powerful. That man, stupid man, they called him more powerful in Ghana. That is among of those that sell our leader. This person now is working under him. I called the boy. I made a mistake. I was supposed to record his voice to put it online here. He said he's Ifanye, Commander Ifanye Cobra, and his commander is the person that is giving them command is more powerful. You understand? I have the evidence. So I will still like this guy, and I'm calling our men at in Enugu State, you understand, to help me to track this number, to track this person. Whenever you see this number, they help me to track it. I need this person alive, because his head need to enter in our portal to enter Nkipazu. His head need to enter into our portal for our soup, Kakemba. So, and I'm calling on all our men in Enugu State to help me to track this number and get this person alive for me. That's what I need from you guys, that is there in Enugu, because I hear that he based in Enugu. Yes, he based in Enugu. So, and I am calling on our men in Enugu to help me to do this very fast. It's very urgent. Get this person for me, track him down, make sure he's dead. So, and those in Ebonyi. So you guys also need to to work accordingly and make sure that you people also track this number and make sure that you get all of them, and make sure you deliver, because it's a must. We never failed before, and we're not going to fail, because we will continue to win forever and ever.
Yeah, welcome back. As I've watched that video and hear everything went off for this video, how people are being using their number and become committing all type of crime in order way to tag them, the bad people in the street. But he said they are the ones in the bush fighting for the just cause, and why other people are there scamming people with number claiming they are them. So every Biafras have to be very, very careful for this particular. Do not fall for this. In case of anyone calls you claiming ESN, or any person is claiming, be aware of this information that we are passing you, coming direct from those guys in the bush, which is Biafra Liberation Army. Things are really happening. That is what we were saying, that any time you see 5 people, there must be Judas Iscariot among them. Those the seller of master must be among them. So this is what is happening in Biafra land. A lot of people have vowed to sabotage this struggle in their own ways. A lot of people have vowed to destroy the foundation of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. A lot of people have vowed to make sure that this struggle collapse totally. And instead of this struggle to collapse for the freedom of the people, your household will collapse. This is a promise that we made you. So I want you to share this video so that you get to other people. Share. This is not a video you just watch and leave. Share it so that other people will know what is going on, so that your loved ones will not be the victim of this dangerous act by these riffraffs claiming they are Biafra Liberation Army. Why they are not? Okay, we'll see you for the next update. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, very important, and turn your notification bell.